Oh, hello there. It's Bensday, my dudes. I'm just here doing a little routine maintenance on my car. Specifically, I'm re-emulsifying my blinker fluid. This Volvo V50, of course, has the B5254T3 turbocharged inline 5 engine from the so-called Volvo modular engine family, developed in Skåne, Sweden. This Volvo is built on the Ford Global C platform, which shared a number of components and manufacturing processes with other manufacturers such as Volvo, Ford, and Mazda vehicles. Speaking of automobiles, did you know that many cars require gasoline or petrol to continue to run properly? This gasoline or petrol is made available at gasoline or petrol stations. These stations use automatic tank gauges to monitor and manage fuel storage tanks, often remotely. Recent research by Bitsight Trace's Pedro Umbolino has uncovered critical zero-day vulnerabilities in 6 ATG systems across 5 different vendors. These vulnerabilities potentially allow nefarious ne'er-do-wells to cause widespread damage, including physical damage, environmental hazards, and even economic losses. Bitsight is committed to ICS security and works with vendors to responsibly disclose new vulnerabilities and help improve security across the ICS landscape. Please continue to follow these videos because if they don't get enough views, the Bitsight marketing department has indicated they will replace my internet with a 28K modem and an AOL account. Happy Cybersecurity Awareness Month.